up everyone? Today, Garden Horizon. I just found a new way to travel between gardens. Go to the fountain in the middle of the map. Just proceed and go to this little square thing. You see this? It can fling you. Just aim whatever garden you want to go. For example, that guy's garden. Let's do this. You just need to be lucky. Sheesh. I mean, it's useful. Look, we just got to this guy's garden. Nice garden. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's all. I just want to let y'all know. Bye.